Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Fitriadi. In this lovely occasion, I would like to thank you for the time given to me to present my paper with the title Ranking-Based Feature Selection for Indoor Positioning System. In my presentation consists of the following part. First is introduction, second method, the third result and discussion, and the last is conclusion and future work. Okay, this is the part 1, introduction. An indoor positioning system or IPS is a service used to detect the location or position of a person or object in a room or building, like GPS, but GPS is used for outdoor area. IPS used for indoor area. Some IPS application and purpose the system may serve production industries to monitor product and equipment, and then healthcare IPS using to track and monitoring patient and personnel at hospital. In the mining area, IPS used to ensure the safety of people working underground. IPS also using in shopping mall. Use an IPS for item finding, navigation, and product or promotion. And the next, in airport area or railways and bus station, the IPS used to system information and navigation. And the last, for parking area, IPS can be used the navigation and security purpose. In indoor positioning system or IPS, there are two methods used for detect the location. First is biometric and the second is fingerprinting. In the biometric method, for detecting the device's position, is measuring the distance between the device and several reference location. This distance is usually calculated using signal attenuation and time propagation model. For fingerprinting method, IPS uses receive signal strength indicator or RSSI to detect the location. Today, the indoor positioning system we can use the machine learning approach to detect the location, and the method continues to develop to produce the good accuracy and speed in location detection. Our research using machine learning approach and fingerprinting method, there are consists two stages. Our approach, the first one is offline stage, and the second is the first is offline stage, and the second is online stage. The offline stage location database is built using the received signal strength indicator, and the online step, the location is predicted by comparing the RSSI received at the time with the database that has been built. But we have the problem with the large of building and many rooms, which make the database increase, and the large database or dataset take a long time to process, so the techniques are needed to reduce the data so that it can be processed more quickly. Our research focus on how to reduce the datasets. We use feature selection. Feature selection is one of the methods commonly used in data processing to identify the most informative or essential feature in a dataset. By using the most informative feature, we can improve the performance of accuracy and reduce the dimension of the dataset. This paper test the feature selection algorithm, information gain ratio, random, and chi-square. The result, the registered dataset based on feature selection algorithm, then tested using classification algorithm, Naive Bayes, and G48 algorithm. We use the number of features selected based on a ranking system, only a half and 3/4 of the whole feature or dataset. Our exploration use WK software running on Linux system with i3 processor and 4 core and 8 GB of memory. We use Uji Indoor Log dataset, where the Uji Indoor Log dataset consists of 522 features, and then we use algorithm, feature selection algorithm to register the dataset. We get a half and 3/4 of dataset with 261 for a half dataset and 390 for 3/4 dataset. And then the registered dataset we test using classification algorithm Naive Bayes MG48, and we evaluate the result accuracy and speed and computational speed. This is the example of dataset. There are consists space ID. In our experiment we detect the space ID based on dataset based on available dataset. And the next table, it is example of dataset the strength signal received based on access point. The value 100 means the access point is not detected by point. This is the result. We can see based on graph and table, the three feature selection algorithm provide the same accuracy, both Naive Bayes and G48, and we can see by using a half of dataset, the G48 has the best accuracy, and by using 3/4 dataset, the Naive Bayes algorithm is the best accuracy. And for the time consumption, we can see the from the graphic and table, Naive Bayes have better, more faster from G48, and we can see from the whole dataset with registered dataset, the time consumption is decreases. You can see for the Naive Bayes from whole dataset need 2.58 seconds, and for registered dataset only 1.63, and for the G48 classification algorithm, the time consumption is increased more significant from 43.84 to 10.71. Okay, and the last for the conclusion and future work, the conclusion is feature selection in machine learning needs to be done because it can eliminate features that are not important. Eliminating an unimportant feature increase the computational time for model development and improve classification accuracy. Using only a half and 3/4 of the dataset provide computation time faster, and the accuracy of the classification algorithm is better than a whole dataset. For the future work, in future research, the feature will be evaluated using feature selection algorithm and other classification algorithm that have yet to be discussed in this paper to get the best result. Thank you for the attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.